how you brush properly, and then I'll let you practice, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use, do you think we use a hard brush or a soft brush? Which one's the soft? That's exactly right. You get a soft toothbrush, whether it's a manual brush or it's an electric toothbrush, and then you put a little bit of toothpaste on there. And how much toothpaste do you think we should be using? A ton like that? No, use a pea-size amount. That's right, just a little bit. We put it on our toothbrush, we wet it to moisten the bristles, and then we put it in. We start in the back molars, and we're going to start on the top, right? Angle your toothbrush towards your gums just a little bit, kind of at a 45-degree angle, and we're going to do small circular motions all the way around. We don't want to go back and forth like that, because what happens over time is we can start damaging the teeth and the gums. So real important, what do? Small circular motions, that's right. And we go all the way around, and we do that until we get to the other side. And so where do we go after that? The inside, right? We're going to go on the inside, and we're going to do the same thing, small circular motions all the way around. When you do these front teeth, you can kind of jiggle your toothbrush and pull it out just like that. So that way, what are we trying to get right at the gum line?
The food.
That food and plaque, the sticky plaque, and we want to make sure we get that off, okay? And then we move to the other surface, and then after we do the inner and outer, where do we go? The chewing surfaces, right? Because we have little grooves on our teeth, and if we're not getting that, what can cause little holes on our teeth if we're leaving that food in there? Cavities, that's right. We start getting cavities if we're missing those little grooves of our teeth. After you finish the top teeth, we go where? To the bottom teeth, and we do the same thing all over again. We do that all the way around. We do the inner surfaces, we do the front teeth, same thing, and then after we do that and we do the chewing surfaces, what's the last thing that we do?
Tongue.
The tongue, that's right. Why do we want to brush our tongues? That's exactly right. If we don't brush our tongue, that little film on our tongue will cause stinky breath. And what does this say? We brush at night to keep our teeth. We brush in the morning to keep our friends, because we don't want stinky breath, right? That's right. So after we brush our tongue, how long should we be brushing? 2 minutes. That's exactly right. If we brush for 2 minutes, that means we're getting all the surfaces of our teeth. And after we brush for 2 minutes, we rinse our toothbrush off and we let it air dry. So we put it somewhere where it's going to dry and it's going to be ready for you the next time. So how many times should we be brushing our teeth? Once? Twice. At least twice or 3 times. That's exactly right. And if you can do it more than that, even better, because that means we're spending a little more time getting all those little cavity bugs off our teeth, right? All right. So here's some stuff y'all can practice there. Y'all can take a toothbrush and try a motorized brush. You put on the top and we start. Toothbrush, all you're going to do is you're going to put it on the tooth and you're going to let the toothbrush work. You're going to put it gently on the brush and you're going to move it. Like every couple seconds, you're going to move it to the next tooth. And that's how you use an electric toothbrush, just like that. So let's review. How much toothpaste should we use on our toothbrush?
Just a little bit.
Pea size, that's right. And how often should we be brushing?
Twice a day.
At least twice a day, or 3 times if we can do it. And how long should we be brushing? Like
2 minutes.
2 minutes, right? Not 2 seconds, right? We got to brush, take our time. And how long do you think we should keep our toothbrush before we throw it away?
At least a month, at least a year.
Almost. You want to keep it for 3 months. That's good. Because if our bristles start looking like that, that means it's time to throw it away, okay? That means we're brushing too hard and it's time to get rid of that toothbrush and get a new one. Unless you're sick, you want to make sure you change your toothbrush more often than that, okay? All right, y'all are doing a great job practicing that toothbrushing.